This question is from thermal engineering for 2 marks. A steam power cycle with regeneration as shown below on a TS diagram employs a single open feed water heater for efficiency improvement. The fluids mix with each other in an open feed water heater. The turbine is isentropic and the input bleed to the feed water heater from the turbine is at state 2 as shown in the figure. Process 3 to 4 occurs in the condenser. The pump work is negligible. The input to the boiler is at state 5. The following information is available from the steam tables. So when you look at the TS diagram, we have 6 different states and all the enthalpies for 6 different states are given in the table. The mass flow rate of the steam bled from the turbine as a percentage of total mass flow rate at the inlet to the turbine at state 1 is. So that is the question. We need to calculate the mass flow rate of steam which is bled from the turbine as a percentage of total mass flow rate at the inlet to the turbine. So therefore, for this numerical answer type question, the accepted answer range is 19 to 21. Let's proceed to the solution. Let us take up the feed water heater, that is, and these are the directions of flows of steam. Let us look at what is M1, M2 and M1 minus M2. We know that H2, H4 and H5 are the enthalpies at the respective stages of 2, 4 and 5. Let us consider M1 as the mass of steam entering the turbine. Let us consider M2 as the mass of steam which is bled into the turbine from the feed water heater, and M1 minus M2 is the mass of the steam entering the condenser. Therefore, when we look at the open feed water heater, when we consider the energy balance of this feed water heater, we get M2H2 which is coming into the feed water heater plus M1 minus M2 into H4 which is again coming into the feed water heater. That should be equal to M1 into H5. Okay, we know that H2 is nothing but the enthalpy of the steam at stage 2, the specific enthalpy of steam at stage 2. When you look at the above table in the question, we get H2 is equal to 2800 plus M1 minus M2 remains as it is, and H4 is the specific enthalpy of steam at stage 4. That is obtained as 175 from the above table. That should be equal to M1 into the enthalpy, specific enthalpy of steam at stage 5 is given as 700 kilojoule per kg in the above table. So when we substitute the corresponding specific enthalpies from the above table, this equation turns out to be 2625 M2 minus 525 M1. So we need to calculate the percentage of steam bled from the turbine, that is M2 by M1 into 100. So from this equation we can write M2 by M1 is equal to 525 by 2625 into 100. So simplifying that will give us 20%.